is up, YouTube? It is your boy Dalen the GOAT, and I am back at it with another video. And today, I always say that we got something real special. This is my first cop from the Lids hat drop collection. Now, if you don't know, Lids got this new thing to where they're dropping exclusive hats to where you can get them basically cheaper than Hat Club and all the other places that sell hats. So basically some of these hats go for $49 plus shipping, so that'd probably be like what, $52, $58. It's real cheap compared to other sites. Also, there are more hats in stock. So why I say stock like that, there are more hats in stock, so there is an even greater chance of you hitting on these hats. So there's a chance for everybody to get something once these come out. Me personally, I feel as if this thing is a great idea because there are a whole bunch of hats that I want, and sometimes I just can't hit on them. This one, I was surprised I hit on it. Well, let me stop right there because my two sizes is sold out. As you know, I wear a 7.5 and a 7 3/8, and I was on that website as soon as these hats dropped. I know just because it was a Manolo that these hats were very sought after, but I couldn't get neither of my main two sizes, so I had to get my third size, which is 7 5/8. So that was just messed up. As soon as it hit, what was it, like 1 or 2 p.m. here in Mississippi, it was like error. And when you know you got an error, you know you got money in your car and you was on there on time, that means it sold out just like that. And so I was very bamboozled when I couldn't get my main two sizes. So I just went ahead and got a 7 5/8. See if it fit. I ain't gonna cap like I ain't tried a hat on, but I did try the hat on before I unboxed this. I did so just to make sure, like I had to go to work, like a little 10-hour shift, bro. So let me go ahead and try it on, whatever. But we are finna get into this unboxing for today. We got some special. I think I already told y'all what it is, but we finna see the quality of this hat, and we finna go over on all of that stuff. So first, Liz hat drop unboxing. Let's get it. So we already know the vibes. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know the vibe. I'm looking at myself in the camera. Y'all know the vibes. I think we're gonna rock with this until the wheels fall off. It's this one at work I'm thinking about again, bro. It's Fruity Pebbles. It smells so good. You know what? When I get paid, I'm gonna get it. But I might get it tomorrow. But it smells so freaking good, y'all. Dang. Let me go see. Oh my gosh. Is he gonna go? Boy, I thought this was the end of this candle. I was about to say we were gonna have to cop another one ASAP, and I was sure gonna go to work and see if I could find something else. But you know, vibes for the day. Pink eye with punch. All right, next up we got the fitted of the day, and today I got one of my Grail hats on, cause this unboxing is kind of special. So I put on a freaking Grail. You feel me? So let's go ahead, see what we got. I ain't got no haircut right now, but right here we got the My Fitted Dirty Water from the Stadium Tunes collection. Tough. Boston Red Sox. Check that out. Check that patch out. Super clean. Corduroy Gold with the slate gray UV and the white sweatband. Come on now. I don't know too many people with this hat. I don't know too many people with this hat. I don't know too many people with this hat. You feel me? There's a lot of people with Grail hat. Like and I understand why. Like this is such a clean hat, bro. Shout out to Rusted Sunset and My Fitteds for doing their thing. I had to cop this one for resale. I paid a pretty penny for this joint, no cap, but I just had to have it in my collection. Shout out to those guys. except the person that I bought this hat from. You don't deserve a shout out because you cracked my head on this. Alright, so I'm not gonna cap to y'all. I did take a peek before I left for my 10-hour shift at work today, because I had to see if this fit. Like, I'm a 7.5, 7.3. I had to see if this 7.5 fit. But we about to open this thing up, even though it's been unopened. This is how Lids packages their items. Boom. So kind of like you just won one of those prizes from the fair that they gotta get out with a stick, and they be up there. Say you want to play basketball or something at the fair. But bruh, I mean, pretty cool packaging. I've seen worse. I've seen worse. I'm not saying this is bad, but I've seen worse. I actually like the packaging because it ensures that no dust or cardboard particles get on my freaking hat. Hat Club. Speaking of Hat Club, I actually caught some Hat Club today from the what's that? The Indian? Not. Oh, I'm sorry. The ancient Egyptian like hieroglyphic pack. I got that. I got one of those. Y'all gonna see which one it is though, for real. We got our paperwork from Lids. Man, Manolo should have did a pen with this one. Returns. What are they return policy? I'm wasting time. I'm wasting time. But anyway, without further ado, bam! Here we have it. We got the Lids X Manolo pack. My goodness. Actually, where's my phone so I can look? I think it was like 24 hours. Mistake, like, correct me if I'm wrong. Check it out. What patch is this? The 1999 World Series patch in the blue. It actually hits on this red and brown. Like, this red and brown goes so good together, bro. And then to top it off, we got a green flat batterman in the back. Curved around the edges, and it's super clean. Y'all know I love the Yankees, not the team but the silhouette. I actually don't watch baseball. I love baseball. I used to play baseball, but I just don't watch baseball. I just love fitted hats, for real. And this hat looks so huge. Oh, we can't forget the icy blue bottom. But it's not polyester, guys. It is suede. You can see that on camera, actually, I think. Go this way. Suede. 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 This is suede. Trying to show y'all. Okay, yeah, you can see that. This is a suede undervisor with a silky white sweatband. My goodness. Then we got a brown crown at the top to match the brown visor, brown brim. Man, focus in on that. A pretty solid hat, if I do say so myself. The quality is straight. No complaints, to be honest. I just wish I could have got my 7.5. But we about to get this bad boy ready to wear though. Yeah, this staying in the collection. I was gonna sell it if it ain't fit me, but it do, so we about to get this bad boy right. Since we got suede on this hat, I'm not gonna take my stemmer out because I'm very scared to ruin this material. So we're gonna go with our usual method. The water bottle / speaker method. Actually, should I use a water bottle? I think we're gonna use a water bottle today. Let me get it. We got our water bottle. So what we're gonna wanna do, we're gonna wanna get our water bottle and our fitted. And then we're gonna wanna mold around this. If I crack this rim, I'm gonna be so upset because I'm gonna have to steam it and flatten it back out. Okay, we got it. So we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna hold it for about 30 to 60 seconds. A lot of people like to put it in the mug or put some rubber bands over it, but I like to do this very quick and simple. Get it done in a couple seconds. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in a couple seconds. All right, so boom, after you're finished, you should be left with something like this. Boom. Gives you a nice little curve like that. I'm deciding if I want to keep do I want to keep this on here? I don't know. I think I'm going to decide. But while we show this off, let me see exactly which pack this hat is from, because I don't want to put nothing wrong. Liz HD. And then we're going to go to the Manolo Prado. Check this curve out though. Focus on it. Come on now. This is where you be. Okay. This one would be the so this one is called Truth Untold, from the Truth Be Told collaboration with Liz Headdrop from Manolo. So I was wrong, I think. Yeah, I was wrong. I think the other one was called that. Yeah, the other one was 20-something hours. This one was the Truth Be Told. Truth Untold from Truth Be Told. This is kind of confusing at first. But check this hat out. It's super dope. Let me try this bad boy on. Ooh. Actually fits nice. It's a little loose, but focus. But it actually looks nice. Wow. I'm surprised. I'm genuinely surprised that this fit. Like, genuinely surprised. Like, we finna crip this bad boy. Brim switch. We finna crip this bad boy. Cause it got suede on it too. We don't want that suede to mess up. You don't put too much, just put just enough. Whoop. That's enough, cause I'm about to suffocate. But this waterproofs your hat, stain proofs your hat. Anything get on is coming right off. And it takes off those little circles that you get from your stickers. So make sure y'all cop some type of spray that lets y'all, you know, stain proof and waterproof your hat. Free game. Actually a dope ass hat. Even though it kind of fit a little big to my liking. I'm gonna put some paper in here around the back. But this is a dope hat. I hope y'all did not sleep on this collaboration. I hope y'all didn't sleep. And if you copped, comment down below which one that you copped, just so I can fuck with it, you feel me? Excuse the language, you know what I'm saying? I'm just super stoked about this hat. But if you did cop, let me know which one you copped. And I also copped from the Hat Club collection, Ancient Egypt. If you cop, let me know which one you cop, you feel me? This has been another unboxing with your boy Dalen the GOAT. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on post notifications. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to do something special for you guys. So make sure you tapped in with me. We are almost at 100,000. But it's so late. I'm just tired. Almost at 1,000 subscribers. We're gonna get to 100,000 though one day. But almost at 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you tap in with your boy. And with that being said, peace.